A new Photoshop feature in the June 2025 update allows you to easily reflow and resize text in real time. Let's try it out together. And by together, I mean me alone. All you have to do is just sit, watch, and learn for free. This business model is flawed. So here's a background I downloaded from the link in the description and opened it in Photoshop. I added these 2 layers just for fun. And now let's go ahead and activate the type tool and click and drag to create the text box. Type in some text and adjust the font settings in the properties panel or up here in the options bar or using the contextual taskbar. If you don't see a certain panel, click on window and find it there. Next, click on this icon, either in the options bar or the contextual taskbar, to convert the text box into a bounding box. This will auto-adjust the text to fit inside the bounding box, and it will resize the letters so that everything is aligned properly. And if you change the text, the layout will change in real time as well. Now, if you click to edit the text with the type tool, you can then drag the corners and sides of the bounding box. And as you do that, the text will automatically reflow and readjust to fit the text box. Remember, this is not the box that appears when you free transform. This is actually the text box itself. So you have to be using the type tool to make these adjustments. Speaking of adjustments, let's select the first line and make it bolder and yellow. And I want the words subscribe to be on the same line. So I'll remove the space after the word to and press enter to create a new line. Perfect. Now, there are some additional settings we can use with this tool. If you open the properties panel under dynamic text, you can change the spacing between words. I'll set it back to 100%. Or the spacing between the lines. If you want to adjust the spacing between the letters, then you can simply select them, open the character panel, and change the tracking value, this icon over here. I'll remove this space here and press enter to create a new line. Press enter to create an empty line, move the text box down with the move tool, and that's it. Remember, this dynamic text is automatically resized, so don't bother trying to change the font size because nothing will happen. You know what? Go ahead and try it yourself. Waste your own time. I don't care.